Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about 8 Rules of Love by Jay Shetty in detail. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I'll be letting you know how this book has shaped up my love life. If you're new here, my name is Kanishka. I've created this channel to distill and discuss my favorite books to help you get into reading. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video.
Love, love, love. It's a word that we hear every day. But nobody really teaches us how to love. So we get into these relationships without really knowing even the definition of love. We think that we always need someone to love us. We think being alone is bad. When we have a breakup, that is the end of it. We will never find anyone else. Always seems to be falling for the wrong person, and the list goes on. So the solutions to all these endless list of questions and scenarios is in this book. This is your guide for it. This is a guide for anyone, whether you're single, in a relationship, married, dating, or have just broken up or got out of a relationship. The content of this book is based on ancient wisdom and modern science. Jay lays out clear and simple steps to develop skills and practice and nurture love. He talks about the definition of love, the difference between love and like, which I've made a short on, so make sure you check out that on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. I also have a YouTube short summarizing all the 8 rules in this book, so if you want a quick guide of the 8 rules, also check out that video on my channel. Again, I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Okay, back to the video.
The 8 rules are broken down into 4 parts. Part 1 solitude, Part 2 compatibility, Part 3 healing, and Part 4 connection.
He also talks about how to win or lose together, how to not break in a breakup, how to love without devaluing ourselves, how to use your partner as your guru, and the importance of solitude. Jay teaches us how to tackle the love cycle, from first dates to moving in together, to having a breakup and starting over. And he teaches us how to avoid falling for false promises and unfulfilling partners. These are important aspects we don't always know before we get into a relationship or start dating. At the end of each chapter, there are quizzes and exercises that you can try with yourself or with your partner. So this is a very interactive book. He illustrates various concepts relevant to love using photos to help the reader understand better.
This is a great book on how to nurture and maintain healthy relationships. I would rate it 10 out of 10. The only critique I have about this book is it's mainly available as hardback. So reading hardback book that is this size is not always easy, which is what I found anyway, especially when you're towards the end of the book and it's quite hard to maneuver depending on the position that you're reading on. So sometimes I would read like lying on the bed, so it was quite harder to maneuver at times. So that's my only critique about the book. So it's not about the content, it's actually about the design of it. This book has helped me shape up my love life immensely, as it taught me the importance of solitude. I was one of those people who used to think that in a relationship, the 2 partners had to do everything together all the time. And if that didn't happen, I would think the relationship would be falling apart. After reading this book, I understood that it's not always about doing everything together, it's about growing together and strengthening a relationship. Spending time alone does not mean you're lonely or you're alone. It gives you time to really reflect on yourself. It allows you to spend time with yourself. It helps you recognize your values and your standards and work on yourself, which in result will help with your relationship with your, whether it's with a partner or with friends or with family. Spending time with yourself means you'll learn to love yourself, which is the first step to love cycle that Jay talks about in the book. So that's it from this video. Have you read this book? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know whether it's helped you shape up your love life. If you found this review helpful, make sure you like this video and share this with your friends. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe to the channel to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.